Welcome to Colorful Cute Kids Channel.
Hello everyone and welcome to the Colorful Cute Kids Channel. In this video, I show you how to draw Peppa Pig Ballerina. Drawing and coloring Peppa Pig Ballerina. Let's start drawing. Start with her nose. Then draw her eyes. Her face. We draw a crown on her head. Then draw Peppa Pig's smiling mouth, her cheek, her hand. She was spreading her arms to the sides and dancing a graceful ballet. Next, draw her body. Draw a tutu. Finally, draw Peppa Pig's feet. In this way, we have finished drawing Peppa Pig Ballerina. Pretty simple, right? Now let's coloring together. First, I painted her face, arms, and her legs a light pink color. Next, paint the decorative stones above the crown red. I used yellow to make the crown more vibrant. I also dyed Peppa Pig's ballet shoes yellow. Light pink. and cheeks are pink. Great job! If you like this video, please like this video and subscribe to the channel. See you in the next video. Goodbye.